Hey, welcome back. That time of year. Let's get the RS4 19-inch wheels on the A3. And that one's backwards. But we'll get the Radiate Mr. Drama Queen wheels on the Jetta Daily. Pull the wheels down and get started. Alright, well that's the RS4s. Let's get the Radiates down. Alright, well, let's start with the A3, get her up, get the wheels changed over. Face of the hub's all dirty. Smooth that out and then we can put the wheel on. Don't need uneven wheel installation causing vibrations and all that crap. And here's the scale suspension coilovers we have on the Jetta here. They ride great, great coils. Alright, here we are at the back of the car. You can see scale suspension coilovers. Also, you can see we did an independent rear suspension swap on this Jetta. In 2013 they came with a solid rear beam. Much better, handles way better now. Alright, always torque your wheels by hand. Give yourself a pattern so that you always know you're good. Well, there we go. Got the nice wheels back on the dailies. We're ready for summer. Next we're gonna start painting up wheels for the S5, going dark gray. Get started on that tomorrow, I think. So until next time, we'll catch you later.